Good morning, everyone. Good morning, explorers. Good morning, good morning. Good morning from Disneyland. That's right. We're back at Disneyland. Last week we were at California Adventure. We had a fantastic day then. And today we start our day here at Disneyland in California, Anaheim. It is a very chilly morning. It is actually very, very busy. Crowds coming in, busy. So behind me on this side, of course, the Disneyland Railroad. That's the main stop over here. And then we have Main Street USA back that way. And it is looking rather busy today. So we're gonna do the best we can to make it the best day and best magical day we can have. I don't think I really have a goal in mind. I want to try to make my way over to Galaxy's Edge, see if I can get on Rise of the Resistance early in the morning. Hopefully the wait time isn't too bad. It is almost 9 o'clock as of right now. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic Disney and travel channel here. Plenty of exploring to come. We got trips, we got more trips, we got Disneyland. We got a lot of stuff planned for this year. So stay tuned on our channel. Be sure and click that bell for the notifications. Yeah. All right, you guys, let's get a move on. All right, so as I'm checking wait times, I don't think we're gonna head right over to Rise of the Resistance. It is currently a 90-minute wait. That's way too long for me. Smuggler's Run is 15 minutes. So we'll still head over in that direction and go over to Smuggler's Run, check it out, see if we're gonna do the single rider over there. Or actually, you know what? Space Mountain isn't open. I was hoping we can get on Space Mountain over there. Maybe we just head over in that direction? There's an idea. Maybe. All right, let's go down Main Street. Let's reassess the situation. So I'm over here in Tomorrowland. I got Space Mountain right over here behind me. It is currently down, so they haven't started running it. I am trying to figure out what I want to do next, if I want to wait here until it opens up, or if I want to go over to like Buzz, ride Astro Blasters, or Star Tours, and then come back over. The thing is, I don't want it to shoot up to like a 90-minute wait if I hop in line, but if I go now, I probably have time to come back, and it probably won't be too bad of a wait if it does jump up. You know what? We haven't rode Astro Blasters in a while. Let's go over to Astro Blasters. Let's hop in line. Let's see what kind of high score we can get, and then we'll come back over. If it's a 30-minute wait by the time we come back, that's fine. I just don't want to jump to like 90 minutes or 45 minutes. All right, Astro Blasters. All right, it's currently a 5-minute wait for Astro Blasters. There's a bit of a line stacking up outside the show, but that's all right.
Planet Z. I will remain here at Star Command to coordinate the mission. Battle stations. Remember, the targets are worthwhile when they're led. Please stay forward into passenger seats. Or when they're led. Please face forward into passenger seats. Your shield will be lowered automatically.
All right, 24,000 points on Buzz Lightyear Astro Blasters. That is not a good score for me. You know, we're never going to mention that again, you guys. As of right now, Space Mountain is still down, so I'm going to stay in the area. Star Tours line is kind of backing up a little bit. Check what's going on elsewhere in the park.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I'm looking at wait times, you guys. It might be a bit of a busy day, so like I said, we're going to make the best of the day. Space Mountain is still down. Rise of the Resistance is 120 minutes, 2 hours at 9:30 in the morning. That's insane. You guys, that's crazy amount of time for this early in the morning. Pirates of the Caribbean is only 10 minutes, so that's probably a walk-on. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad is only a 45-minute wait. That's not too bad. Matterhorn is 25. You know, that's a single rider though. So, you know, I'm not in a hurry. So I'm going to wait here. We'll chill for a little bit, see if it opens up in the next 15 minutes or so. Alrighty guys, so we went ahead and waited 15 minutes. The ride did not open up. So we're gonna bounce over here to Star Tours. It is a posted 15-minute wait. We'll wait in line for this ride. Lightspeed to indoor, you guys.
15 minutes later.
All right, here we get boarding. That was about like 15 minutes or so. Not too bad.
R2 works. As I finish the rest of our pre-flight checks, please make sure your seatbelts are secure.
You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all travel.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone!
I am Princess Leia of Alderaan. We've placed a rebel spy vital to the survival of the rebellion into your starspeeder. You must see them safely delivered to the core.
Let's set the controls! We're not going the wrong way! We are, you nitwits! Thank the Maker! Glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. And thank you for flying Star Tours!
All right, Star Tours. We did not go to indoor. Instead, where do we go? Tatooine and Coruscant. All right, so we're still over here in Tomorrowland. Space Mountain is still down. They must have some major issues going on with Space Mountain today. What do you think? Should I wait for a little bit and see if it opens up? Because they've been sitting there for a while. Not sure what to do here, guys. Really like to ride Space Mountain, but I don't want to go too far. All right, everyone. So it's 10:40. I'm not in a hurry to do anything, so I'm still waiting here. See if they're going to open it up. I'll wait. I don't think I'm going to go over to Batu. You know what? I forgot my magic band today. I left it in the car charging on the charger. This week, I want to get some bounties done. So we're going to wait till Wednesday when we have our magic band, and we'll do some bounties on Wednesday. Hopefully, we can get in Rise of Resistance a little bit early on Wednesday, but today, I think I'm gonna stay kind of on this side of the park over here, just kind of chilling, relaxing, you know, enjoying the scenery, checking things out. Space Mountain, right behind me over there, still closed. But I found myself a nice little shady spot, a little bit of sun, keep me warm on one side of my body, and a little bit chilly on the other side. Yeah, so that's all that's going on, you guys. You know, I'm not even bored. I'm chilling. I'm relaxing. Alrighty, everyone. It's 11:10. They just now opened up the ride. We were among the first, I'd say, 30, 40 people in the queue. It's a posted 20-minute wait. There are a few lightning lane people, so it's just a couple right now. We'll see how many file in after that. Hopefully, it won't be a 20-minute wait. Hopefully, this will almost be a walk-on. Not too bad, you guys. 11:16, and that was 6 minutes of walking, mostly. There we go. Trip to outer space. Let's go. And we're back from outer space. Woo! That was a wild ride. Glad we made it safe. All right, everyone. I'm going to go from this side over here. It's my better side. All right. So I'm looking at wait times now. Space Mountain is 25, but that's jumping up. Everyone's like running over there now. 45-minute waits kind of all over Tomorrowland. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna chill. Just kind of wander around here in Tomorrowland and also Fantasyland. Alright, you guys, look, it's busy. I've wandered my way into Fantasyland, which you guys know I don't usually like to do that because it's very busy over here. Bobsleds is looking mighty tempting, getting that single rider lane, but You know what? We'll save that for... what do you think? Let's do it. All right, bobsleds. All right, single rider hacked over here. Gonna hop in the single rider lane. Ooh, it's looking a little bit long. The regular wait time for Matterhorn right now is actually 45 minutes. Single rider doesn't look like it's gonna be any faster. All right, guys, so I did forget to mention what time we stepped in line here. Even though we are in single rider, we stepped in line about 11:29. Single rider is moving pretty damn slow. All right, everyone. So 11:57, so almost 30 minutes.
Remain seated.
Not ready for this. All right, almost 30 minutes, not too bad from 45 minutes. Let's go see one of my favorite Yetis, Harold. All right, away we go into the Matterhorn Mountain. Again. Oh, here comes Harold. Oh! Oh, my back. Oh. Jeez Louise. We're doing great. Almost done. And splashdown. Done and done. All right, we don't need that chiropractor appointment. I'll call and cancel that.
Permanecer sentados, por favor.
I think I bit my tongue. It's going to be a hot tub day. All right, friends, look, I know I'm getting up there in years, but does that ride seem to get rougher every single year? Maybe it's just me, but man, sitting in the back seat today, that was rough. Let's formulate the plans, figure out something else to do. No more e-ticket attractions today. Just relax, nice and easy. Whose idea was it to go on that ride today? I'm gonna blame you guys. You guys told me to do it. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go over to the hub. See what we can see. Maybe we can find some characters that we haven't had a chance to meet in a while. Sounds amazing. All right, let's go check it out. So I went ahead and ordered some lunch. I sat there for a while, just kind of figuring out what to do, and I was hungry apparently. So I ordered from the Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe, and I got the beef birria toasted cheese. I saw something on Instagram about it, and I was like, I gotta have that. So that's what we're gonna have today, and we're gonna check that out. We're gonna kind of lounge, rest and digest, and then we're gonna continue having a magical day. All right. Okay, again, I got the beef birria toasted cheese. Has a little bit of meat in there, looks like. Looks delicious. Oh, yeah. And then it comes with a consomme over here. So we're gonna enjoy that. All right. So we get lunch and some live music. Good times. So I'm gonna get back to you guys after I finish this. Yeah, so let's enjoy, you guys. done with our day. My wife is texting me. She's like, I'm ready to go. I'm exhausted. So time now is 2 o'clock. I'm gonna get out of here, pick my wife up. We should be on the freeway no later than 3 p.m. Today was kind of a slow, kind of lazy day for us. We did do a lot of waiting, just kind of a lot of sitting around. That's fine, because we're up here quite often. So we're not in a rush or we're not in a hurry to get on rides. We did wait for Space Mountain. It took a while for them to open up, but when they did open up, we were one of the first, and it was practically a walk-on. Also, our food today, delicious. I forgot to let you guys know how it tasted. It was pretty good. It was the toasted birria beef. The beef, yeah, something like that. It was good though. Glad I chose that option. So that's the end of today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just kind of tag along with me. It was a lazy day. My back hurts from the Matterhorn. That's to be expected, right? This coming up Wednesday, we are back at Disneyland. Today was a busy day, you guys. We did the best we could with what we had, right? And we had fun doing it. It was a magical day. All right, once again, please like, comment, subscribe to Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic channel here. You guys have a fantastic day. I hope you guys are being safe and being kind to each other. I'll see you guys again. Have a good night or a good day.